moving toward the north end on a blustery Saturday night, and we are underway from El Paso, Texas. Locomotive in that sharp but first corner of the night will go to Locomotive FC. And it will be the us to deliver. In swinging ball to the far post. That's knocked down and knocked out, but too far and into the back of the net. How about that? Beto Avila with his first goal, and Locomotive takes a 1-0 lead as we enter the 7th minute. Avila all alone, unmarked in the area, and Locomotive strikes first blood. Peace be unto you. That's a great sidestep. Boy, Rivera's been a handful. So the ponytail's gone, and the goal is in. And here comes Locomotive again. Great stop and start. Mo Shaban, left-footed effort, just wide. Took it himself. Memo Diaz, certainly a signal for a set piece. That's a great lead ball, trying to get a piece of it. It'll be brought down and rolled home. Armando Moreno with his second goal in as many matches. Rikoski pleading his case with the referee. But they're letting him play. Armando Moreno makes it 2-0 Locomotive. Rolled up the pitch, and Moreno in a challenge with Rikoski. Oh, great lead ball, Diaz. Rikoski with a challenge. Moreno up to play the ball. Nobody in black and white nearby. Just slides that. Rikoski saying, I had the ball. So Ortiz deflects that out for the corner. And here is Abayevo. Another corner, the fourth, and it's in. Just that easy. Right to Noble Okello. And the big forward is there to knock it home to get Rising onto the board. Boy, they've been showing dangerously on set pieces tonight. And that time Okello gets by his marker and inside the 6 blasts it home with the head to get Rising on the board. Stoppage time. Rising FC won the USL Championship. No changes as we begin our second half of play. And actually there is a change. Isan Sacco up to Mo Shaban. Good movement. Avila, great sidestep. Avila into challenge to Moreno, and it's knocked in from the left wing side. Beautifully done. Great one-touch football, and Gabi Torres is there to finish. Locomotive had to wait all of... Never found his stride under Mark Lowry here in El Paso. Yep, there's that set piece. Whatever, they'll play it long to the middle of the box. Overhead kick, and it's in! My goodness gracious, Armando Moreno on his bike to make it 4-1 Locomotive. Moreno with his second of the night. Armando Moreno uncorks in absolute beauty. Set pieces against the run of play. It doesn't matter. Memo Diaz delivers another beauty. Avila gets a piece, but how about Armando Moreno? Carl Saint, former FC Dallas man, along with Neville, who's going to take it. Neville will, and it's Wait. Snatched out of the air, and it was a little too close. Traore gets that. Things getting a little physical out there. Good switch, Rising FC against the run of play. But in the end, really mishandled by Sacco, and it's scored. As it comes out, the clearance is there, and Cabral gets his. That's my hot take, and I'm sticking with it. Cabrera, Tomasi, DeRoma, that slid away. That's a great slide tackle in the middle. That'll spring the shot. Big effort there by Rivera. Locomotive, how about Jamali Wade again? Getting a piece of that. They're going to want a corner kick. They won't get it. Now, Akwe. Jamali Wade with your GECU save of the game. Rivera back for how about that blast from Hope Avayevu. But Jamali Wade up to the task. It's blasted away. It's a good job by Okello, who is, speaking of putting in a shift, Locomotive wants a foul, they won't get it. And here's Avayevu. Off to the races, Phoenix against the run of play. Avayevu off to the right side, and it's knocked in for three. Sacco was there. Another beautiful piece of service from Avayevu. And Phoenix Rising is within one in the 80th minute. Completely against the run of play. Alfaro decides he couldn't quite get there in time. Fans letting him know about it, but it is 4-3 as we hit the 81st minute, and here is the sub. Daniel Carter coming on to replace Beto Avila. Here is Cuello. 86th minute, Phoenix pouring forward. There's that man again. That's a good solid cross. Nobody in black nearby. Sacco. Locomotive gets that cleared. Oh, the loft, it's in for the goal! My goodness gracious! Traore catches Jamali Wade off his line and just blasts it from over midfield. And it's 4-4 out of nothing. Traore takes a shot. And Phoenix Rising FC has equalized. That gets loose. It is on the Phoenix Rising half of the pitch, but Jamali Wade. There will be 5 minutes of stoppage time. We ain't done yet. Ortiz. The rip. Moreno just missing over the bar. Good look from Amando Moreno. End to end we go. And into stoppage time with the score notched at 4. The give and go. Okello into the middle. Spinning away from trouble, Avayevu. Paso will retake possession. Challenged all the way out on that right wing side. Andy Cabrera earns a throw. Quesada. Cabrera forward. That is out for a Phoenix throw. Not enough for Daniel Carter to get to. The Honduran Daniel Carter. Sacco, that's liable to be a card. Indeed it will be. DeRoma into the book as we take a look at our physical play of the match. Rivera lofted into the box, nodded back in, and that is going to do it. Well, how about an 8-goal Saturday night in El Paso, Texas?